Meta earnings beat by a wide margin. The stock is creeping higher. Facebook parent Meta plus 0.32%. Platforms reported strong fourth-quarter earnings results Wednesday afternoon. Its shares rose in after-hours trading. Meta beat fourth-quarter expectations by a lot. Earnings per share were up annually by 50% to $8.02, compared to Wall Street's consensus estimate of $6.76, according to FactSet. Revenue for the quarter reached $48.4 billion, above expectations of $47.0 billion, and up 21% on the year. The two main factors driving revenue growth are the number of ads users saw in the quarter, and the average prices for ads. These were up 6% and 14%, respectively. Meta's revenue outlook for the first quarter, though, came in soft at $39.5 billion to $41.8 billion, up 12% from 2024 at the midpoint. Analysts had an estimate of $41.7 billion. Meta's closely followed expense guidance range for the full year was $117 billion at the midpoint, up 22% from 2024, against an expected figure of $111 billion. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg had already revealed in a Facebook post last week that 2025 capital expenditures for AI data centers are expected to range from $60 to $65 billion, a 59% annual jump at the midpoint. Amazon AMZN -0.45%, Com, Microsoft, MSFT -1.9%, and Alphabet's Google +0.6%. Google have spent more on AI data centers than Meta, but those companies have cloud services, where they rent out some of their computing power. Meta is buying AI hardware for its own use. Wall Street analysts asked on the earnings call if the latest developments with DeepSeek are a new Chinese AI model that could kick off a lower cost structure for AI, would obviate the need for so much capex. Zuckerberg said it was too early to tell if the DeepSeek moment would change capital deployment plans. Revenue in the Reality Labs segment, home to augmented and virtual reality products and services, was up 1% in the holiday quarter, indicating that sales of Quest headsets and the company's Ray-Ban glasses may have disappointed. Reality Labs' operating loss expanded by 7% to $5 billion. Meta didn't buy back shares in the quarter after repurchasing $30 billion worth in the first 9 months of 2024. The company didn't offer an explanation for the decision. Meta also announced on Wednesday that it had settled a lawsuit with President Donald Trump, who had sued Meta for being suspended from Facebook in the wake of the attack on the Capitol on January 6, 2021.